video for Jimbo.
4,
5,
5,
6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, Mom.
That's my broom. I gotta look at that.
Aggie.
Look at the puppers. What are you doing?
That's bullseye.
No, here's
Get off my toes. What's wrong with you?
Watch where you're walking.
I know.
That's Missy Kina. There's the playful one.
Hi, puppers. Hi, little puppies. Oh, look at that one. It's forever alone.
Kina.
Oh, he's going to the bathroom.
Kina, get on the bench. Kina. 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 Get on the bench.
Come on. Come on, Keena. Get up here.
I don't know if she does that because they're getting so big that she helps Jenny and I every time we bring them out. She'll stand and let them
Hey,
in it.
Kina, get on
Get out
the
of the way,
bench.
Jenny. She's getting a video.
I'll try to send it to him. Oh, look at him
Put some
run.
more water in there.
That one was way over there.
Yeah, I gotta get some more water.
Hi, Pulper. Aren't you a little good girl?
Aggie.
Yes, you are. Look at that teamwork.
You know why they do that, don't you?
No.
Because after they're done doing that, they'll carry the plates off, the thing off.
This is my mom's new puppy. Get off my toes. What is wrong with you?
That's Aggie. Now that's licorice. You'll have to show me a picture of his screen.
He
Wait a minute, Jenny, I gotta get us some
Oh,
water.
look! See, I'm going to cut and see and sat down.
She did yesterday. Remember?
That's her puppy pen.